You just found the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Grand Cherokee keeps you safe, connected, and entertained while you explore your world in confidence and refined luxury. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, wood-grain interior trim, premium sound system, satellite radio, fog lamps, heated rear seat, power liftgate, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, power passenger seat. Experience the freedom of off-road exploration in the Grand Cherokee. Take a test drive today.